Hello and welcome to part 2 of answering question number 4 using that pizza pie diagram. And so here, if you've been watching some of my videos, I like to review in answering these questions, key skills that you need to know. So here, let's go ahead and review about area, right? Area is the measurement of the inside value of two-dimensional shapes. And so when you're measuring the inside of a three-dimensional shape, it's called volume. So area, as you can see here, is the measurement of the, let's say, the inside of a two-dimensional shape, like you can see here, right? And so we have our triangle. We're measuring the two-dimensional face of this triangle. And there's an area formula to do that. 1/2 times base times the height. And so rectangle, you can see a rectangle you see here. We're measuring the areas, measuring the face of this diagram. Unlike perimeter, which measures the length around the shape, the area measures the two-dimensional face of these shapes, so to speak. So for a rectangle, the formula for area is base times height, or you may have also have heard length times width. Both are the same. It's just a different way of labeling your shape. Circles, when you measure the inside of that circle on the two-dimensional face, right, we're measuring the area. And that formula is pi times your r, or radius, squared, right? And again, another quick review. You've been watching my video, you're familiar with this, but it's always good. Better to get more than to get less. So this is good review if you've been watching my videos. So the radius is a measurement from the center out to the edge of the circle. Okay? You double the radius and you'll get your diameter from edge of the circle to edge of the circle. You cut your diameter in half and you end up with your radius. So there is a relationship there to those two values. All right, stick with me. In the next video, part 3 video, I'm going to go over how to use the area formula for a circle, and we'll find the area of that pizza pie, ending the diagram using the pizza pie for any more questions. This will be the last question for using that diagram. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe.